What's up, YouTube? Good Charger here, coming with an opening video of some mail. I think this is finally from Mrs. Spider 805 and whatever. So I'm gonna crack right open to it. Got everything? Yeah. I should throw in some extra stuff for the weight too. It's been about 2 months. Or over 2 months. In the world. Got this thing. What the hell? The fuck? What the fuck? Alright, here we go. I don't know what the hell they have on that shit. So I go to this stuff first. I guess this is the bonus stuff. Elemental Hero, Lady Heat, Vision Hero, Trinity, Wild Edge. Some of the stuff was the original stuff. Twinkle Moss, Hero Marina. The other stuff, it's like shrink wrap or some crap, I don't know. Oh, never mind. It was a big ass top loader. My second E-Hero Great Tenero, Gloneos, Necrochet Man, Wild Wingman, Glow Moss, Prisma, Flash, Necroshade, Alias, E-Call, and Hero Mask. So, finally got my stuff. Thank you, finally. So, yeah, peace out, guys.